Let's play a game called
Name that word!
Okay, so today I'm going to be looking for adjectives for the way Julius the Beaver is acting, and also the way he's not acting, the opposite. So we're going to get away from simple words like neat, clean on the positive side, and also improve from basic vocabulary like messy on the negative side. Okay, those words are just too easy. If you're studying for IELTS or TOEIC or TOEFL or Cambridge or IEKEN in Japan or CET in China, we've got to ramp up your vocabulary, right? That's what you want. Let's start. First word. Let's see if you can name that word. It's 7 letters, 2 syllables, begins with the letter P. And another clue, the second syllable rhymes with nice. Okay? So you can either pause the video here, or if you've already got it, let's keep going. The word was precise. Okay, we're still at intermediate English, but it's better than saying he's doing a good job, or he's very neat, he's very clean. He's very precise. Let's move on. Word number 2. We're going to do 6 words today. Word number 2. Starts with an E, 8 letters, 3 syllables, ends with ing. You may not think of this word as an adjective a lot of times, but it is very similar to precise. You can pause the video, or let's move ahead. The word is exacting. That's an adjective. Extremely demanding and strict, requiring much care, effort, and precision to meet very high standards or expectations. So Julius is a very exacting beaver. The process is exacting. That's how you would use that. Exacting. Okay, let's get to our third adjective for what Julius is doing or how he's behaving. This is definitely a level up word, okay? We're talking about 4 syllables, begins with an M, ends with OUS. And there's a syllable in there that's either going to be a tick or a talk, kind of like a clock. All right? Pause, or let's keep going. Do you know it? Okay, the word was meticulous. One of my favorite words, actually. It's not because I am meticulous, I just like the way it sounds. If you got that, you are to be commended. That's a very difficult word. You're definitely leveling up your English. Meticulous, to be extremely careful and precise with obsessive attention to every minute detail in your work or preparation. That word is minute in this case, okay? People that are meticulous can be a little slow. They take a lot of time to make sure it's exactly what they want. Okay, let's do some antonyms, the opposite of the way Julius is acting. Let's start with an easy one. Starts with C, ends with less. Do you have this one, or do you need to pause? Okay, I hope you got that one. The word is careless. If you didn't get it, that's okay. You're on your ESL journey. You're doing well. I congratulate you for the journey. Okay, let's go to a more difficult word. By the way, careless is the best way to describe it is not taking care. Okay, we're definitely going to level up here for our second and third antonyms for meticulous. I have a feeling I'm going to be teaching you 2 new words here, this one and the next one. But if you know these, you're doing very well. Okay, this one, the clue, you've got an HA, then a space, then another HA. It looks like haha, but it's not haha. Okay, this is to not have a plan. That word is haphazard. Haphazard. Like I said before, it's like no plan, a little bit chaotic, right? You can say it if you're disappointed with the way things are arranged. Maybe you were expecting a nice sequence of events, something that's planned nicely. And if somebody says, "How was the event?" you can say it was pretty haphazard. I mean, it had no flow to it, it had no order, didn't seem like there was a plan. Very haphazard. Okay, we've saved the hardest for last without a doubt. Definitely leveling up your English. If you know this one, I'm not sure why you need to improve your English. Of course, you still may be trying to improve, and congratulations for that. Okay? 5 syllables, 13 letters. We're going to start with an LA. In the middle is this DAI. That part sounds like day. This means lacking energy and enthusiasm, not giving you full effort. Pretty lazy. Anybody who could be described by this 13-letter word. So you're welcome to pause, or let's go straight to the answer. The answer, lackadaisical. Lackadaisical. Spectacular word. It just means somebody that's not giving their full effort. You can use it, for example, a sporting event. You could single out one player or the whole team and say, I don't know, their effort just seemed lackadaisical. They weren't giving it 100%. In fact, they were acting quite lazy, lackadaisical. Thanks for watching the video all the way till the end. Thank you to Julius, and I hope you learned some new words today. Hope you had a little bit of fun improving your English. And of course, if you liked the video, give us a like. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, leave some comments below. Let me know how I did. This was my first video. So, hope to see you again on ESL Challenges.